Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a hard reset to erase all data on your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To do it, go to Settings, then scroll down and go to System. Scroll down to Reset Options, Erase All Data. Then click on Erase All Data. You can also check Erase eSIMs if you want to remove eSIMs from your device. Then erase all data, confirm your unlock, erase all data, and now your phone will restart, and after restart it will be ready to be set up. And now all of the data was erased and you can configure it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.